So this is a jackhammer, a $15 chatterbait. Is it worth it? Let me know in the comments. Nope, doubled up.
Oh, wow. Oh, cow.
That's a beast, baby.
That's a good one.
Oh, baby.
Y'all got to get up there.
Heck yeah, man. See you, buddy. Doubled up, baby. Oh, back to back.
There you go. Yeah.
Yep. On the jackhammer.
Yeah.
I've only seen big ones today. Yes, dude. Thank you, buddy.
Good job, bro.
Back to back. Can we make it 3? There's one. Another one.
You know, I had a jackhammer in my hand at the
Did you?
shops.
Oh, man.
Oh, I had to.
They're on fire right now on the jackhammers. Number 3 for the jackhammer. Not bad. Thank you, buddy.
What you got over here, little humper?